guys, it's Bri from Breezy Beauty. Today we're going to do this fun, bold, red makeup look because you don't have to be a pro to have fun and play with color. I changed my mind and switched orders, so we are actually going to start with Love Secret. has got to be one of my all-time favorite mascaras, but guys, look at this mascara face. Does anyone else just like crack up looking at your face while you're putting on your mascara? I'm like literally losing it. And we're on to the lips. I absolutely love this shade. This again is Superstar Matte Liquid Lipstick by Farmasi. Guys, they literally have my favorite liquid lipsticks because they are not harsh and drying. I have tried so many liquid lipsticks, and for me, the matte ones always make me feel like I'm in a desert, and this does not, so I'm obsessed. Once again, we're pulling out Love Secret matte liquid lipstick, still Farmasi, because like I said before, favorite matte liquid lipstick, hands down. You can totally use these together to create a slight ombre effect. So whenever I get a little bit messy with the application of a liquid lipstick, I just clean it up with a little bit of concealer. That way it still has a very sharp and crisp finish. As you guys can see, I definitely believe in multi-purpose, multi-use makeup. So I'm using the 3-in-1 palette again, the highlighter, to go and highlight my cheeks. Now I will say I totally should have used a fan brush or a blush brush, but I misplaced it, so we make do. And then I'm actually gonna go and grab an eyeshadow brush and we're gonna put it on the eyes to just give it a little extra dimension. A little bit of sparkle really made so much difference. I hope that this inspires you to play with color, to have fun with makeup. You do not have to be a pro or a makeup artist to play with fun, bold colors. Thanks for watching. Bye!